Hey, hello. So, I see that you're looking around, searching around, trying to find that best, most suited sustainable fabric for maybe for your new brand or new collection that you're planning to launch this summer. Well, if that's the case, this video is for you. Before getting to the main part of this video, my name is Abhi Parasha. I'm part of a fashion accessories and apparels exporting and manufacturing business in India. We've been in this industry for 20 plus years now, and with enough experience, finally moving on to the sustainable market. Well, enough of that. I've divided this video into several parts so it's easy for you to navigate through the video using the navigation feature, of course. So let's get into the first one. So, what are sustainable fabrics? For a bookish definition, you might say fabrics that are made using eco-friendly processes that are not meant to harm the environment in any way. So, fabrics that reduce water usage, energy usage, and chemical pollutants throughout its life cycle are eco-friendly material. While that is true, it leaves a major thing unchecked. So, when we dig deeper into sustainability, it's not only the environmental aspect, but also the social aspect that plays a major role. Making sure that people involved in every stage, from sourcing to production, are treated with respect and fairly. Imagine fabrics not only caring for the environment, but also the people involved in making those fabrics and products. And here's the thing, these fabrics go further than traditional materials. While these traditional textiles might rely on harmful chemicals and excessive resource usage, sustainability is all about balance, balancing the social aspect and also the environmental impact. And it's a win-win for all of us. Our wardrobe can be stylish, and there's this calmness on the back of our mind that we don't really contribute to the harmful environmental impact that the fashion industry induces. Well, that is not true. We all do in some or another way, but you get the point. So let's break down some heavy hitters in the eco-friendly materials market. Number one is cotton. Organic cotton is basically cotton which is grown without any harmful pesticides and harmful practices, making it soft and friendly both for your skin and the environment. So next up is tencel, which is made from sustainably harvested wood pulp. It offers a silky and smooth look for daily active wear or casual wears. So next up would be recycled polyester. So the main idea with this is we do not use any virgin polyester fabric, but polyester that comes from recycled materials or recycled bottles or plastic. It massively reduces general and mainly ocean waste. It is very durable and offers great performance for any active wear or generally used in outerwear. Next up would be hemp, which is known for its durability and robust nature. It is perfect to use for making any structured piece. On the other hand, linen, which is naturally breathable and has cooling effects, so it's best for any pieces involved in the summer collection. Lastly would be bamboo, which is naturally antibacterial and soft, so it's perfect for any intimate and casual wear apparels. Each of these fabrics brings something unique to the table, so adopting one of these or many of these into your new collection or your new fashion brand is a good idea, as they would massively help push your brand image forward to any new eco-conscious customer. And it is known that the sustainability market is growing really fast. Moving on to the next section, choosing the right sustainable fabric that suits your brand. So when looking into choosing sustainable fabric for your fashion brand, there are three core points that you need to keep in mind. Number one would be the brand identity and the product need. Make sure that the fabric reflects what your brand values and ideals are, and make sure to look how the fabric feels and what are its durability points and performance metrics like the comfort and the breathability of the fabric. The next point would be measuring the sustainability metrics of the fabrics. Measure energy consumption, carbon emission, water usage, any chemical treatment that are involved in the production process. Make sure that those numbers are what your brand reflects and you're comfortable with those numbers working in the future. The third one would be to find the best cost versus quality balance. With a higher upfront cost, it might lead to better quality in your product, but with some higher cost, it might not lead to any significant changes in what the quality of the fabric is. So let's talk about sourcing sustainable fabrics. When it comes to sourcing, there are three key points that you need to look for when trying to source any sustainable fabric. Number one is certification and authority. One of the best way to evaluate the purity and sustainability of a fabric is to get trusted certificates like GOTS, which is for organic cotton, Oecotex, which is to verify there are no harmful chemicals present in the fabric, and GRS, which is for Global Recycle Standard. There are many more certificates, but one of the best ways to ask supplier for these certificates and verify those documents and those certificates on the official website of these certification bodies. So next step would be production processes and environmental impact. Generally, sustainable fabrics tend to have lesser environmental impact when compared to general fabric. They use less water, less energy, and produce less pollutants when compared to general fabrics. The next point is supply chain transparency, knowing where and how the fabric is produced and what the actual production process is, and actually marketing all of that stuff builds trust between your brand and your customers. So make it a point to only work with suppliers who can provide a general transparency report or a traceability report or something related to that. It's going to give you a huge advantage for your future marketing campaign. So for the conclusion of this video, I hope you guys got some value from it. Any valuable feedback or any criticism is welcomed in the comment section down below. Also, our company has Instagram portal where we post quick tips regarding sustainability. So if you're interested in that, consider following it. Also, one more thing, our company has a special offer for any sustainable brands. So click the link in the description down below and take a look at it. See ya.